Alright, starting part 2 of the Land Cruiser body work. So I did a bunch of different stuff on the top. Got a lot of the rust for the most part cut out. Got had to cut in some drip rails, had to do that, welding a lot of stuff. I got one more patch hole in the front I gotta do. Yay, I'm almost done with this this whole. I did the other side, I've done this side, I did some of the work off camera, but once I finish that part, I can concentrate here on the back corner, which is going to be a big thing. Hopefully it's not going to take too much. It is going to take some time to do this. I got to pull some wiring, do some stuff. I'll bring you in when I get ready to do that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on that. Let me bring you in and show you what adventure we're going to get into there. So here we go. So the other night I actually created, this right here was rotted out, so I had to create a whole new drip rail piece right here. And so tonight I am going to weld in this piece, weld in all that, and get all that taken care of. And then once we're done, this side will be done and I can focus on the back side, which will be great. So here we go, and I'll bring you along for the adventure. Alright, so I wanted to bring you in and see what it looks like when I get ready to, when I make a patch. Here he goes. Cut that out of some steel, and then I just trimmed it down to make it fit in the hole. And once I put the magnets on it, kind of hold it in place, it'll sit flush a lot better. And then I just stitch weld it in, keep going, making sure I don't get it too hot, and then grind it down, and then throw some primer on it, and there you go. Like I said, I'm not a body guy. All right, here we go. As you can see here, it's all welded up, grinded down, spot welding. I'm going to seal all this in with seam sealer. So we are good to go. Now I get to move on to the back, and I got to pull some wiring out. That's going to be fun. So here we go. All right, so on to the back. So this was the big spot that I was saying that I'm going to have to repair next. So I think in order to do it, the best thing is going to be to do, there's a bunch of wiring up in here that runs up in here that, goes to the rear defrosters. There's this other wiring that goes in here. So what I gotta do is I gotta pull all this out, so when I'm welding, I'm not burning wires, yada, yada, yada. So I think the best thing is going to be for me to do is to pull this back hatch off. So it's not in the way, not burning the glass, things like that. It's just out of my way. So let's get started with pulling that off. So this is what I was talking about. Here's the back side. It's gonna be pretty interesting how I'm gonna weld in all these pieces. I'm gonna make them, bend them, and shape them. You know, I don't know. Honestly, I'm not a body guy. I don't like body work, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna make this work, and let's get to it.